Hey guys, welcome to my recipes. Today we'll be sharing with you the perfect way to make hard-boiled eggs. Once you get it right, you'll have an easy to peel and perfectly cooked egg. So firstly, we've prepared 5 eggs. We've also got ourselves an egg timer to indicate the state and time frame of the eggs while being cooked. You can easily get one of these from Daiso or any other convenience store. The pink indicator on the timer basically tells the current condition of the egg. As the egg slowly solidifies, the indicator will gradually turn white. Once you've got everything ready, place the eggs and the egg timer in a pot. Then, fill the pot with cold water till it covers the entire surface of the egg and start boiling it. Once the water begins to boil, turn off the heat and cover the pots for about 5 minutes. You'll notice the pink area of the egg timer has turned white in color, indicating that the eggs are already at a hard-boiled state. Now, just transfer the eggs to a bowl of cold water and leave it to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will make the eggs way much easier to peel. You may now peel and enjoy your eggs. Note, if you are not planning on eating them right away, you may also store these unpeeled eggs into your fridge, and that way you can keep them fresh. Hard-boiled eggs can basically use for a ton of things, ranging from a simple egg salad to deviled eggs and a whole lot more of basic or wow recipes. So I hope you've learned a thing or two and am able to cook better eggs from now on. Do stay tuned for what's coming up, where I'll be posting a video on an awesome egg sandwich recipe. And if you like this video, do leave a like or comment and subscribe to our channel.